Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I'm taking a artboard. Mm. So we have done our text tool. In this class, we will see line tool, uh, shape builder tool, and paintbrush tool, and also knife tools. So let's get started. So line tool is easy. Just if you want to draw in a lines on your Illustrator, so you can just draw line. Then if you increase the belly stroke below, it will increase uh, like this. So let's say you want to draw a straight line. So if you want to draw a straight line, you have to press shift. If you press shift, it will draw a straight line. I can also press something like this. So like this. So actually we are using on like let's say you want to design a flyer, so you want to write something else there. Let's say Afghanistan. Let's make it to let's change the font to Poppins and makes it uppercase. And now if you want underline, so you can easily take underline from here, but if you want to expand this underline length, you can't do this. So let's say I want to expand this underline from here to here, so you can't do this with this option, with underline option. In this case you have to make a line like this, then you can increase the size, then you can also change the color, cancel. Then you can increase and decrease the length if you want. From F you can increase. Let's say if you want to draw from here to here, so you can increase this. You can also design make design with line tool. Let's say I'm pressing alter, I'm making duplicate. So if you press alter, you will see that your cursor icon will be double. Then you can make duplicate, so you can make duplicate. Then you can also change the shapes. Let's say you need something like this. Then so in this way you can easily design your text, your anything else with line tools. And the second one is arc tool. Like let's say you want a curve shape for your design, so you can just make something like this. And if you want to close this one, like if you want to close this one, something like this, so you can easily do this. So whenever you are drawing this arc tool, so if you press shift C, look at this, it will be make closer. I'm pressing shift, it will make closer like this. So again, if I draw this one, and if I don't want this closer, so you can click C, so it will disappear. That's the thing. So with arc tool you can make lots of attractive design. So how can you do this? So let's take another one with same size. Okay, then see. So whenever your cursor will look like this, so you can rotate this one. So I'm pressing shift and I'm making rotate this one like this. Then let's make it same size. Okay, then let's take a solid color like this. Let's take another solid color for this one, like this. Then I'm selecting both of them, then I'm pressing Alt to make a duplicate. So in this way you can make lots of design with these tools. So in this way you can make lots of design. Okay, understand everyone? Understand? Should I repeat? Okay, thanks. So you can draw. Okay, let's say spider tool. So if you want to need some oh, shape like this is not an important tool because you don't need to use this one on your design, but if you need something like this design, this shape, so you can use spider tool. So same as before, you can increase the stroke color. So you can increase stroke color. You can take any solid color for this one. That's it, this one. So you can do this. So if you want to use this one on your design, so you can easily use something like this. So you can increase the shape like this, then you can change this design to this, then you can decrease the opacity, so your design will look like something like this. So you can use spiral as your background abstract, something like this. So once you've done your design, it will looks attractive. And the next one is rectangle grid. So you can do, let's say you want to design a calendar. As I already told you, if you want to design calendar or business card, anything else, you can do this on Adobe Illustrator. So let's say calendar design. Design in Illustrator. Image. Look at this. You will see lots of column, row and column on this calendar. I'm talking about this one. You will see the column. This is called column, 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 and this is called row. So you can do same thing on there. Look at this. There are row and column. So this portion called column and this portion called row. So we have 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 column and we have also 1 2 3 4 5 6 row. So you can take this one, then you can increase the stroke size. Then then you can just let's decrease the stroke size to 1. Then as a calendar you can type Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Like you have already know how to use type tool, so you can type Monday, then Sunday, SUN for Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah blah blah. In this way you can do this. This is the thing grid tool. And the last one is polar grid tool. So if you want to take something like this for your design, every shape depends on your design. Let's say if you want to make a make a design, flyer design, you can use this type of shape on there, this type of shape on there. And let's say if you want to design a calendar, so you need to take this rectangle grid tool. Let's say let's say you need some polar grid tool, something like this you need. So let's take a stroke, let's change this stroke color to black. I think yes, black. Then you can use this one is spiral tool, and if you click there, you will see ungroup option. So if you ungroup this one, you can ungroup them, like you can separate them, each of them. So ungroup, look at this. Now if you want to control Z, now if you want to separate this one, so you can also separate this one, then you can also delete this one, so you get this one. So let's say you need this one, so you can ungroup this one, then you can separate this one like this. Same as there, if you want to ungroup this one, just right click on it, then ungroup, then you can change. Look at this, you can separate this, separate this. This is the thing. Okay, everyone got it? These tools, rectangle grid tools, polar grid tools, spiral tool. Should I repeat any tools? Just let me know. Should I repeat? Okay. Okay, let's see. The next one is shaper tool. So let me delete all of them. Let's select all of them, select, then delete. Okay, now it's fresh artboard. Okay, spiral tool. Let's say you want to draw a circle, so you can easily draw from here, from this tools, ellipse tool. Make sure that you have pressed shift and alt at a time, so it will make this type of circle. So let's take a color, let's increase the stroke color. Okay, so let's see you want to take same shapes. So how if you are selecting shaper tools, it will create a shapers, any shape. Let's say you want to create a circle, so if you draw something like this, it will create circle. You want to create a rectangle, if you draw something like this, it will make a rectangle. You want to make a, sorry, this is rectangle and this is triangle. If you want to draw a triangle, you can do this. If you want to make a rectangle, you just need to draw the shape, so it will convert it. So if you want to make like this, so this is the thing, shaper tools. So if you want to draw anything else, you just need to draw it will convert it to shapes, similar shapes. So look at this. So in this way you can draw any shapes, so it saves your time and you can do this easily. You can do any shapes easily. Let's see, the next one is pencil tools. So it's work like a pencil. So if I want to draw something else, let's say I want to draw a tree. So how can I do this? So if you want to increase and decrease the size, you can press oh watch. Okay, you can decrease the size from here. Yes, you need to just decrease the size of stroke size, because this size comes from stroke. Look at this, I'm increasing 20, now it's 20. So if I make it to 1, it will draw something like this. So if you want to increase and decrease the size, you need to just change the stroke size. That's it. This is comes from stroke. So let's say I want to draw a tree. So how can I do this? I'm making this. To be honest, I'm not good in drawing. Just trying to do a tree. Then I want to make a house under this tree. Okay, that's done. Then this, then this, then that. Oh, what's going on? Okay, then this. Oh, okay, something like this. Okay, leave it. So if you want to draw something, drawing, so you can just easily use this pencil tools. That's it. So this is the thing. Okay, everyone understand this pencil tools? Understand pencil tool? Understand? Okay, so let's delete this one. Okay, the next one is smooth tool. So let's say you draw a line. Let's go there. So you want to make this corner more smooth. So if you want to make this one more smooth, so you can just, first of all you have to select this one, then you have to make, look at this, it makes more smoother like this. Control Z. If I look at this right now, it's look like something like this. So the you want to make this corner smoother, so you can easily use these tools, smooth tools. So it will makes your make sure that you have selected this one. First of all, go to move tools, then select your line, then you can make it smoother. If you want to make more smoother, so it will make your shapes more smoother. This is the, let's draw another line. So let's go smoother tool. Let's try to make more smoother, so it will make more smooth your line. This is the thing. Look at this. It's now more smooth. I'm talking about this shape. So sometimes, let's say you want to make a logo more smoother, so you can use this smooth tool. And the next one is path eraser tool. So let's say you want to delete this path, so you can just draw this one. You can just draw, make sure that your starting point and ending point is same, then you can delete this one. Let's say you want to delete this point, you can also draw this one. To make the, first of all, make sure that you have selected this one, then go to this tool. Oh, we have already closed. Look at this. Let's say you want to divide this one, so you can just go there, you can just draw this one, so you can just do this. Let's say you want to divide this one also, so you can just click this one. So this is the things. Let's do it again. Let's take the shape, then let's go to small. Let's go path eraser tool. So make sure that you have selected this one, so go to move tools, then select this one, then go back this tools, then look at this, it's already divided this one like this. This is the things. So in this way you can divide any anchor point, you can cut any anchor point. And this is the thing, join. That means you can join one anchor point to another anchor point. So let's go to line tool. So I'm drawing this one, and this one. So let's say I want to join this, and this, and I want to convert this one into a rectangle. So how can I do this? You can just go join tool, then make sure that you have selected them, then you can just draw this. Look at this, it's magically converted this, join this one, both of them. So you can do this. In this way you can join any anchor point to another anchor point. So let's say I want to join this two, so you can go here, you can just draw this one. Let's make it more closer. Okay, let's select both of them. Look at this, let's join. So in this way you can join both of them. You can join one anchor point to another one anchor point with join tool. Okay, any question about these tools that I already explained? Any questions? Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, brush tool. This is similar as pencil tool. So if you want to paint something else, you can just paint this one. So let's see. So maximum time it's used on for signature purpose. Let's say you want to draw your own signature on on your Illustrator document. Let's say you have make a document or some agreement or any certificate for 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 your client. Let's draw, let's draw a rectangle, and let's type certificate. Certificate of AR Remal. So you can type Control Z and okay, lorem. Let's say this is a certificate. You can also design this one that we so you can do, if you want to rotate this one, you can right click on it, then transform, then transform, then reflect, then okay. Then I'm pressing alter, then right click on it, transform, then reflect. Okay, so something like this. I think this is not looking good, so let's try to rotate this one, then transform, reflect. Okay, no, transform, reflect. Okay, okay, I think now let's look. Okay, let's say this is one kind of certificate design. So let's take, okay, this is signature area. Let's increase this size. Okay, so now you need to write your signature on Adobe Illustrator, so you can use these tools, paintbrush tool. So first of all, Control Z, make sure that this is basic. Okay, then if you want to increase and decrease this brush size, so you can okay, wait, let's make it to basic. Okay, so if you want to increase and decrease this size, so you can press keyboard image. Okay, if you press this one, this bracket, I think this is second bracket, it will increases your brush size. If you press this this button, this key button, it will decrease your brush size. So go to there, cancel. So let's say I want to draw my signature, so ARIF. So let's okay, in this way you can, so in this way you can just draw your signature on your certificate, on your document. So you have to select these tools, then make it none, or let's type another signature, then let's make it to basic. So this one would be another signature. Okay, in this way you can you can draw signature with these tools. And the next one is almost same, so leave it this one. Okay, let's see the next one, eraser tool. So let's say let me draw a rectangle. Let's increase the size. Okay, let's say I want to erase this rectangle. So you have to go there, then you have to uh, if you want to if you want to cut this one, uh, let's change this color to another one. Okay, let's say I want to cut this portion, so you can just go here, eraser tool, so you can cut this one, this portion. Let's say I want to cut also this portion, so you can do this with eraser tool, uh, like this. Let's say I also want to cut this portion, so in this way you can cut any shapes with eraser. And scissor tool, this is another interesting tools, scissor tools. So let's go, let's click this one, let's delete all of them. Let me delete my certificate design. Okay, so let's draw a rectangle. Okay, this is our rectangle. Let's increase this stroke size and change this color to black. Oh, let's increase more. Okay, okay, this is our rectangle. So if you see there are 4 anchor point, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's say I want to cut only this portion. Okay, only this anchor point to this anchor point. So how can I do this? You can easily do this with scissor tool. If you click this one, look, I'm just clicking here and I'm just clicking here, it will divide this one like this. So let's say I want to cut only this anchor point to there. So first of all I have to click here, then I have to click here, so it will cut this one. So let me draw a rectangle, a circle without solid color. So now you will see. So let's say I want to cut this anchor point to this anchor point, then you can easily cut this. Let's say I want to cut only this there to there. So first of all just click this one, then click this one, so you can do this. Let's say I'm making a polygonal tool, so I want to cut only this portion, so you can just click here, make sure that you have selected anchor point to anchor point, so you can do this. Look at this in this way. Let's say I want to cut only this portion, so you can do this. And the next one is knife tool. For this knife tool, I'm going to okay, for this knife tool, let's say let me draw a rectangle, and then let's take a color, this color. Let's say I want to divide this one, so you can also divide with knife tool like this. Now it will make a divider like this, that we have already done with the same thing with eraser tool, but in knife tool you can also do this the same thing. Let's say I want to cut this portion, So you can just go here like this. I can do this. So this is the thing in knife tool. In this class I'll show you another tips. So how can you convert any image to vector? So first of all, let's type cartoon vector. So let's go there. Okay, so first of all you have to download this image, save image as, okay, this one. Then I'm drag and dropping here. Okay, so this is our image. If I go here, here, okay, this is our image. This is raster image. Okay, so let's say you want to change this image color, this cartoon color brown to another color. Okay, you want to make you want to change anything else. So if you whenever you are drag and drop your image, on the top area you will see option. This is called image trace. Okay, with this option you can convert any raster image to any vector. So if I click this one, so let's close this one, let's take image trace. Okay, then the color would be, there are, I think there are 2 or 3 types of color. Okay, let's change, I think 6 color. Okay, almost. Then you have to make expand. Okay, once you expand this one, it will convert to vector. So right click on it, then ungroup this one. So as you already know that if you want to make, if you want to select same color area, so you can easily use this one, this tools. Control Z. Okay, no, let's do it manually. Okay, delete this one. I'm just selecting this one, then delete this one, selecting this one, then delete this one, delete this one. So now let's say I want to change this color, so you can just click this one, then you can just change this color to this. So let's say I want to change this face color, so you can also change this color to some angry, don't know, be like this. Look at this. Let's say I want to this face color to little bit, okay, let's say I want to change also this color. So let's say I want to change this color. Okay, in this way you can convert anything, any cartoon, any image. First of all, you have to download the image. Make sure that you have downloaded png image, so it will work properly. You can also, let me just copy this image from here, copy, then control V, then okay, now you have to download this one, save images, then save, drag and drop here. Okay, it's now, it's already in png, so just click image trace. This picture have 3 color, I think, no, 6 color. High quality fidelity. Okay, then expand. Okay, then ungroup this one, then delete, delete. Okay, let's say you want to delete this one, you want to change this color, also this color. I'm pressing shift and I'm just selecting all of them at a time. Then let's change this color to this. Look at this, it's changed. Let's say I want to change this face color, can easily do this. Let's say I want to this color, this cloth color, you can do this. Okay, That's the thing. Understand, everyone? Should I repeat? Image trace. Should I repeat? Okay. Okay, let's sketch from the scratch. Let me delete all of them. Uh, so first of all, you have to go Google and type uh, cartoon vector or anything else. You can type fish vector, so fish vector. Then let's take robot or robot vector. Okay, this one. Okay, this PNG image. Okay, as you can see, the background is look like something like this. That means this is PNG image. Okay, some box. Okay, right click on it, then save as. Click save as, then save your image. Okay, then you can drag and drop. I'm dragging and dropping here. Okay, then the second process is image tracing. You will see if it's not appear here, just go to window, then you will see image trace option somewhere else. Type image trace, image effect. Where is image trace option? I think yes, this one, image trace. Okay, you need to appear this one here. Okay, just click this one, then click image trace. Okay, make sure that your environment is essential graphics, essential classic, so it will appear here. Then click image trace. Okay, then it will convert your image to something like this. So if you want to make it to original, make sure if your image have 3 color, you have to select 3 color. Then you will see it takes time, initial pixelating, clustering, curving, filtering. Okay, almost. Let's okay, so you just need to just change the option. Then once you get the final result, so you can just click expand. Once it's expand, right click on it, then click ungroup option. Okay, then you can delete this background like this. You can select this one, or you can also click this one, then click delete. Okay, now let's say you want to change, you want to make you want to change this color, so you can just click this one, then you can just change this color. Let's say you want to add any eye, so you can just click arrange, bring to front, then you can add something like this. That means you can modify. Okay, once you convert your image to vector, you can modify anything else. This is the things, this is the process. Do you understand, Jadran? Okay, I think that's it for today. Everyone just practice these tools and just try to convert any PNG image to vector and just play around with it. Okay, this is the thing, that's the homework. Everyone got it, the homework? Okay,